Hey, what up, y'all? It's North Star. Time for some more cargo transport simulator. Uh, Last time we used this beautiful truck, the Scanline. Today, we're going to be using the Kangaroo. Now, this thing is a beast. If you hear it, you're gonna be like, "What?" It's very, very fast. Um, Very good vehicle for quick transport. So yeah. Ooh, don't know why that happened. Don't know where I am. I just wake up and lights are on in front of me. All right, let's go. Okay, so we got some cargo here, potential cargo. All right. Ooh, why don't we take that? Yeah, we're gonna take that trailer right there. High beams are a little bit better. All right, let's look out the back of our window, outside our window, so we can back into this thing properly. All right. Where are we gonna go? We should go to this. This is Poppet Cola. So Flint's Foods and Drinks. Let's see, 370. At least 5. So let's go there. We got Poppet Cola. Let's get going, y'all. You hear that? You hear that engine? We're going 40, and this thing sounds like a turbocharger. All right, let's go. I don't see nobody. You hear that? That sounds freaking amazing. We will need to stop for gas along the way, but this thing sounds amazing. You hear that? Sounds amazing. It's not run this light. It was yellow. Thank me. What is wrong? Thankfully. I showed them low beams. This thing is just amazing. The braking on it is awesome too. Like, you go from 100 to 0 in 2 seconds. That bus, I don't know what that bus is doing. All right. So, hit the brakes here. I'm not gonna make this one. But yeah, the Kangaroo, very energetic little thing. If there were spirit cars, this would be if you've ever seen chicken nugget animations. This would be Sody Pop. That little red panda. All right, where are we going? Speed limit's 90. Let's obey the laws of the road. All right. Acceleration and braking on this thing is just amazing. I love it. Definitely gonna need to stop for some gas. Let's do it now before we get too far from the gas station. I have yet to run out of gas on this game. I played this game plenty of times. I have yet to run out of gasoline, but I have come very, very close. Turn the lights off. It's besides the rain, it's pretty light outside. Brakes. I don't see anybody. Hold on again. All right, there you go. Good. Trying not to be too rowdy. We do have soda in the back. Don't want them opening this thing up and blowing up in their face. Alright. Can turn that off. Just listen to that engine. It sounds like a race car. This sounds like when my mom is driving to church on Sundays, just in our transit, just flying. Swear she could be the NASCAR driver. She's awesome though. I love my mom. All right, let's go down the hill. Don't even need to press the gas. All right, we might need to brake for this guy though, or not. Or maybe 65. I don't know why he was doing that, but okay. It's a beautiful day outside, passing these silos. Bus stops. How would you get to a bus stop out here? Like, how would you do that? Where would the person who's getting dropped off here go? Okay, there's a little city over here. But why not have it in the city? I'm not like real life. Again, this isn't real life. This is a game. All right, let's go. Come on. I think speed limit went down. I guess. I'm considering going around him, just overtaking him real quick because there's just someone in front of him or something. Yeah, because that truck up there. All right. We're about to overtake in a second if things don't start speeding up here. Alright. Okay. Well, we gotta turn, so let's hope that they don't turn with us. I don't think I have anyone behind me. You got a circle here. 50 is the speed limit. So I guess they're keeping us from going over the speed limit. Alright, there's one car gone. No. Wow, no. Just no. Don't do that, bro. Alright, heading towards Frankfurt. 50 miles an hour in the zone. Do we have someone stuck to us or something? Yep. Bloody heck. The heck off of me. Still there? Nobody's gone, thankfully. Don't know how he got off, but he got off, so that's good. Alright. 90 miles per hour now. I love this. I love this fan. It's awesome. And I haven't even like modded it or anything. It's just awesome. I haven't even touched it. Speed, none of that. It's all just comes with the van. I love it. I'm gonna paint. I think I said this in one of my police videos. Police patrol simulators. When it comes to Skiso soft, I kind of color coded all my vehicles. So I have the police patrol simulator. All the cars are gonna be black, and then with this one, all the cars are gonna be blue. But haven't had a chance to paint them. Some of the numbers on some of this stuff is kind of just ridiculous, but it is what it is, and I don't necessarily completely mind. Some of it's fine. Some of it just seems like it's overly expensive in game currency. Right, come on. Alright, ooh, brakes. Gonna starting to get dark out here. Nah, too bright to turn on my low beams. Guess I got some pretty clean runs out of this guy. This is awesome. Sounds like a freaking race car. I love it. The speed limit's either 90 or 110 over here. Probably 90, just because it's one arrow. Oh, might be 110, because you're going into a highway. Alright, need to go over here. Yeah, it's a highway, so it's definitely 110. That's the speed limit. It's powering up. It's It's amazing. Alright, when the weapons can go off. Always being 114, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Could go faster, but like I said, we're going to try and have a clean run here. Can't do so if we're flying down the road, so. Alright, guess we're going straight, so I need to get back over. And hit the brakes, because we're. See what I mean? See what I mean? We're just at 100 now. We're 14. And I wasn't even holding on. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. What is that sound? Sounds like someone's blowing on the mic. Now, come on, what's up with the rain, though? And I don't think it's the car shifting, because the car shifts every so often, but when you're stopping, why would it? I mean, I don't know. I've only ever driven automatics, so. Never driven a stick shift. Don't think I really want to be completely honest. Going up on a bridge here. 90 miles per hour is the speed limit in areas like these. Come on. Don't hit me. I got 50 miles here. .90, so it's gonna start kicking up, but come on, you won't make it, of course, but just losing some speed. Let it tap on the brake here and let it roll itself up the hill. A little bit of assistance from me. Alright, nice. I'm taking this turn. I'm guessing the light is green, so if these guys will go, I won't miss the light, but I will, because this guy decided he wasn't going to go. Because that guy decided he was going to run the light. And this one red car behind me. Alright. Green means go. Don't judge me if you know where that's from. Because if you know where that's from, then you have no right to judge me. Alright, speed limit's 90 over here. Come on. Alright. 50. I'm going to slow down. No! I will not hit. This will be a clean run. Only 250 kilometers left. Doing making some pretty good progress. Speed it up. I love the rear view mirrors. They look amazing. Ah, tolls. I hate tolls. If you saw the last CTS video, you know how much tolls completely ruin my life. Especially when you only have $2. You have to watch an ad. Alright. Hello? I do have $20 on me though this time. I somehow have $2,504 on me. Hopefully not in cash. We're going to Liège. We're in Belgium now. Alright, take this turn here. No one's coming anyways. And go up this hill. Speed limit is 90. Probably gonna surpass that at some point. It's not like the cops are coming after us. But like I said, I wanted a clean run. Just saying. There's gonna be a couple times where we go over the speed limit. It is what it is. Oh, 156 now. Lights can go on now. Only 144 kilometers away. Getting really close. Alright, don't see nobody coming around, so we can just hop on the circle here. Take this turn. Alright, keep going. Probably gonna go through Luxembourg. Yeah, Luxembourg. I don't see anything, It is always the same. The map is always the same. Like this turn between Luxembourg City and Antwerpen is always the same with these buildings right here. I'm just noticing that. It's not like the map changes every time. It's just that you might be in a different starting position. Alright, and I gotta turn here. Are we clear? I think we're clear. I can't really tell. And when you have to go all the way over here, that you also have to turn this way, because I didn't do that one time. I kept going straight because I thought that was what I was supposed to do, and ended up adding 300 kilometers back on to my time or my distance. Come on. Alright. Brakes a little bit because this brake can put the brakes anytime. The glare can be like serious sometimes off the back of other people's cars. Right. It's a 50 zone. Kind of just let it coast for real. Let's go on cruise mode here. And then take it off and speed up. Where am I going? Brussels or Luxembourg City? I'm guessing Luxembourg City, yep. I've yet to go through there and have someone coming out from the other side of the highway. Alright, let's turn here. Speed limit's 110. I don't think we have anyone coming over here. Nope. It's gonna be a hill down here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Definitely gotta pay more attention. Especially when you're turning. And that's in Mons. Mon. My dad's Jamaican, I have a pass to say that. Come on, no. I could have sped up, but I knew it wouldn't have made it. I would have just ended up so far in front of the light I wouldn't be able to see when it does turn green. But yeah. Even when you're real driving, you gotta pay attention to the road, especially when you're turning. Alright, let's go. Hopefully this guy's in turning as well. Nope, thankfully. Alright, only 12 kilometers away. We're right there. 6 kilometers now. Right there. And we have brought the Poppet Cola. We're not going to get hit by a bus. Yay. We're going to pay attention. Alright, let's go. I do want to show y'all real quick after I load this into the dock how fast this thing really can go. Spirit. Alright, let's look out the window here. I can't even tell where the thing is. Yes. What? Where'd it go? Oh, I'm supposed to put it over there. I swore I saw it right there. I was like, wait, where did it go? I'm supposed to park it right here. I can honestly pull in through the front, but I like backing up. I like backing into it. It makes me feel more like a professional, you know? Know what I'm saying? Alright, come on. You gotta go the opposite way. 2, 1, let's go, come on. Turn now. Okay, we gotta go forward now. It's raining above us. Ah, come on. Alright. Come on. Alright, we got it now. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Right, let's try to back up all the way. There we go. Alright, we should be good there. Alrighty, folks. And that's a wrap. That got us $624. Nice. Yeah, let me show y'all how quick this thing is for real though. Alright, ready? We should have a timer. I can time how fast this thing goes from 0 to 60. This thing is super fast. Let's try not flipping it over though. Alright. Sounds like a freaking race car charging up or something. 125. Come on, it's not going. 131, 32, 33. And then brakes. Amazing. I love it. Alright. We're going to park this bad boy somewhere. And that'll be it. It's a fun little ride here with y'all. Stay safe, fam. See y'all up north.